Hello, my name is Jerome, and welcome to my RC construction channel. Today I have another reveal out of Korea. I made this purchase on Monday, and it showed up at my door Friday night yesterday. And this is what's called a mind controller. What is a mind controller, you ask? Well, there's a guy on YouTube. Hold on. There was a guy I saw on YouTube running his RC excavators, and instead of holding the transmitter like this, he had two joysticks on each side that he was controlling his transmitter. So as soon as I saw that, I sent the guy an email because he had a FlySky i6S transmitter, and he also had a FlySky FS8 transmitter. So I asked him if he had any for the Paladin, and he did not. So I told him, keep my name, and whenever you make one for the Paladin, shoot me a message and I'll buy it. He shot me a message, he just made it, and I bought it. So this is what it looks like. Throw your transmitter in there, and you control it like this. Sweet! So this is what it looks like. And most of this was all 3D printed. And he calls it a mind controller, if you can see that. And the Paladin sits right in here. It takes some assembly. He sent me a PDF version of how the assembly should go. So I am going to assemble it. All right, for now, I got it together. I only have one problem, and that's this here, which controls the track on this side. So I'm gonna give Jang a call, email, and see if he can help me get that set up. I don't want to put too much pressure on it because this is 3D printed stuff, and I want to break it without seeking some advice in advance. So I'm going, all of these are extra parts. I am going to put an excavator up here on the table and give it a try. All right, so I got my Paladin 961. It's pretty small, and it was easy for me to throw up here. So the two-hand controls seem to work really well. As far as these two-hand controls for the tracks, not so much. But Maybe I can get some help with those. Tomorrow I'll go out and make a video with my big XDRC 945, and I will use this to dig during the morning. So stay tuned for that video. Also on YouTube, RCAJ. Let's see if this shows up. RCAJ. That's the guy who creates these. I put a link in the video for this particular one for the Paladin, and he also has them for the FS8 Fly Sky transmitter and also the I6S transmitter. So that's my video for today. Stay tuned pretty soon for another video to update with this one in motion. Till then, see you later. If you like what you saw, click like, feel free to subscribe and share, and I will talk to you later. Peace.